Mini zines are easy and fun to make, and you can make them for literally anything. Let me show you how. Before I show you how to make them, let's talk about what you can make them about. One thing might be something that's really important to you. For example, this is about decolonization. It's from the amazing people at decolonizationcoven.com. This one is about caring for your community. This is one I made about studying tarot, getting to know your cards, improving your skills. You can also make them as resources. This is one I made where it's just a collection of questions to ask your tarot cards. This resource zine is a little mini grimoire about protection. This one is a shrine or like a pocket altar. You can also make zines of poetry, zines of your photography. You can make a fanzine about something you really love. And these little mini zines are a great format for this. These are made of just a single piece of paper, folded in a specific way, with a little cut in the middle, and then they just come together into this little book. You can make them by hand or use a computer, something like Canva. Let me show you how to fold them. All you need is a single piece of paper and a scissors. The first fold is hot dog style. And do your best to get these corners as perfectly lined up as you can. It makes a really big difference in the final product. Then you can just use your thumbnail, just run it along the edge, index fingernail, get a nice crease. Then open it up, and your next fold is hamburger style. And again, do your best to get these corners lined up as perfectly as you can, and then a nice crease on the edge. With it still folded, you're going to just take this flap and fold it back towards that center crease. Then turn it over and do the same thing here. You're folding that flap back towards that center crease. And I'll mention it again, nice, like tight crease there. Run your nail across the back. Try to get those corners as good as you can. Your next step is to make one single cut. You're going back to that central crease, and you're going to cut just from that crease to the center, no further. Don't cut all the way through. And then you take these little pieces here that you just cut, and you just wrap them, kind of push them down toward each other, and then you wrap the book up. Here I like to go to the last kind of page and just kind of nudge it down in so that it's lined up with the spine. Just a little careful nudge. And then one more good press on all those creases, and you've got a mini zine. You can distribute these in little free libraries, check bulletin boards at your local library, coffee shops, put them there, give them to your friends. Have fun.